Divine recognitions, finding guidance in faith. Allah has bestowed upon us the honor and the opportunity to seek improvement by turning towards someone superior to ourselves. For a human being, that superior figure is none other than their prophet and their God. Even angels are not considered capable enough to impart knowledge to us unless they relay a command from Allah. As for myself, I have never really paid much attention to jinns throughout my life. Often I might sense a presence of one or two significant jinns around me but have never focused on them. The thing about jinns is that they are always in a great hurry. Does a jinn have the capacity to learn? This is a very difficult question if I try to analyze them. However, I believe that, in terms of worldly experiences, Satan appears to be the most expert among all beings, since he has been involved in leading humans astray from the time of Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, until now. He has been a part of our deceptions, our flaws, our manipulations, and our desires. If he works systematically, as I believe he must, his library would be the largest in the world. Imagine if he learns that a virtuous person is attempting to end his life. If he hears our names, I am certain he will resort to old records. He would say, "Look up this person's records. Bring me all the files on the schemes they have been involved in and the traps they might fall into." For him, this is a straightforward task. Throwing bait that he knows well from experience is simple. Thus, I believe that Satan indeed maintains a comprehensive record. This is why Allah tells us that Satan can see us while we cannot see him. Given this asymmetrical visibility, our advantage lies with Allah. I know for a fact that if there are two unseen forces, one being Satan and the jinns and the other Allah and the angels, then I have complete faith that when these unseen forces align against us, the divine unseen forces align in our favor. Personally, I have never had a significant interest in jinns. If I ever encounter one, I will certainly let you know.